Now we will learn how to add a transport in the system and how to assign transport to the system, to the students, and how to collect the transport fees. Okay, so just scroll down to the transport. First, we have to create a shift. Okay, like here you can see we have created the morning and evening shift. You can create a single shift also, but make sure the shift is necessary. So please create one. Now the transport fees type. Okay, so we already created a quarter one, two, three, four. The transport fee. Okay, the maintenance we will delete because we don't want delete. We don't want maintenance fees. Okay, if you have a monthly transport, then just create a month wise, like the January transport, February transport, like this. Okay, and accordingly select a due date. For example, quarter one, we have a due date of 23rd, 31st March, as you see. So accordingly, just create a due phase. For example, if you're creating a transport fee for April month, and students can pay till 5th of the April. After the 5th of the April, the fine will be imposed. Okay, so create a 5th April. That is the last date to fill the transport fees. Okay, then just go to the air route. Okay, subroutes. So as you see, we have created the route Hisar. Okay, that is the main route. I mean, school to the final destination. Okay, or you can say that route title, like this is the route number 6, route number 7, like this you can also create. And go to the subroute. Here just create a subroutes, like you can say the stop points, like the stop point A, B, C, D, like this. Okay, so just create a stop point A, B, C, D, or whatever the stop points you want to create with the fare. Okay, so after creating this, go to the add vehicle. So add all the vehicles on your school. Okay, and yes, these things you see, insurance valid date, pollution date, actually this is very important. If if you have some problem, like as a reminder, you want, you don't remind these things. So and you want to remind us, like for this vehicle what is the last insurance date. So if you add this date, you will get a reminders here on the task, like you have to renew your insurance of this vehicle. Okay, you have to renew your pollution of this vehicle before 7 days. You will get the reminders. So you can use this cool feature also. Okay, now go to the assign route vehicle. Just assign a vehicle to the route, the shifts, like this you can see here. We just added a bus number 1234 to the Hisar route. Okay, and yeah, that's a premium number 1234 without any uh, HR or anything, like stage wise RTO. You're just kidding. So now go to the student transfer sign. Okay, this is a student transfer sign. Just click on the add. Okay, so let me select one route. Hisar vehicle 1234 class 1. Okay, and section. All right, so now you can see the list of the students. Okay, and also the assigned vehicle, like this student already opted the bus for the AB system. Okay, so let's think like this student will opted Sam. Okay, let's take the Sam opted the bus route of Mayor. Okay, so this is the stop point for the student. Just say okay. Now come back to the student transfer sign. Now you can see, okay, so here Sam opted this route. Okay, and when you click on the view, you can see these four fees are assigned to this student. When you search for the student, okay, so now you can see the bus, all the four quarters will be assigned. You just select and any single quarter or select all, collect fees and collect. Okay, the 6,000 rupees, this is the demo fee, custom, just forgot this fees. Okay, and if you want to collect the partial fee, I mean the 600 is the final amount, but if you want to collect the 30 rupees like this, just click on calculate and pay, then 30 rupees will be calculated and the remaining 570 will be as a partial fee. Okay, and yeah, for example, for the last quarter this student not opted your transport. Okay, so what we have to do, so just delete this fees. Okay, that means these fees will be removed from the student transport from the student, and obviously on the reports also this will not reflect as a due fee. And again, for example, the student come again and opted the transport, then again go to the transport, student trans assign, search for the student and enable it and apply. That's all. The student again opted this transport for the quarter 4. So that's how you can manage your transport routes, vehicles, and student fees.